mate. Alright, I'm in Bertie boy, ready to go. Back in the bag. Got my kettle on my bit. Don't fuck about. View from hotel quality. There we are. There's Bertie. There's Bertie over there. Old Bertie boy.
Who is it?
Bertie.
Oh.
That's old Bertie over there, Bertie boy. Got the bag packed, ready to go. Me and Bert.
Yeah, look at this one.
Yeah, Bert. Oh my god. Bigger than Bert, that one. Ready to leave fucking hotel quality. Oh, Bert, the bag of tea fell off the fucking thing. Alright, me and Bertie. There's Bertie over there. Here's our mate. We're on our way, we've got our bags in the thing. On our way out of Delhi. We're going to get the bus. Oh, we know this road, don't we, Bert? Look. Going down past Delhi railway station. Bertie, on our way, hello, Bertie boy. Hey, mate, on our way to Manali. Here we go. Look around, mate. Bertie. Oh yeah, I know the columns. Bus is here. This is where you get the buses from, Bert. Look at that. There's our brand new bus. First day running today. There's Bertie. There's all the Bert's friends. And there's our brand new bus.
Maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage.
मनाली वापसी खोलना गाड़ी ये तू बोल रहा कौन बोल रहा है खाली है कितने सीटें खाली है एक सिंगल गाड़ी और आ रही है अपने पास सिंगल आपकी और सिंगल वाली होगी थोड़ा कुछ चला दें नहीं आप हाँ जी
Hey Bertie at the old dabber. Hey Bertie boy.
go round the car tip over
Oh yeah. Don't fuck about, mate.
We are local dabber.
Bert from Inception, look. couple of hours. I was trying not to be sick, so I slept. 1.5 Valiums helping the matters, isn't it? Oh, Bert's over there. Huh? Oh, didn't it? There's Bertie over there. Huh? Where's Bert? Where's Bert? Hold on, what have we got? Hold on. This is me and Burton's view. Got the mountains over the other night. Right. Some little balcony area. Bert's fucking horizontal. We're just chilling in this little place, waiting to go up to our room. That's fine, isn't it? There's our little place we're staying in there, Bertie. There's the local ganja plant, look, fucking huge. Monster. Fucking quality, mate. Me and Bertie boy, in the old drifters already. Fucking just touched down, both got a scooter. And we had a scooter about and that. I've had a missed call from Tip Tram. Okay. Already got a place to stay, $5 a night. Bikes cost the same as the room, which is ironic, really.
But they're brand new. And the lights done.
Yeah, brand new. Bert's one's brand new. It looks like it's been in a Bert crash. All the front fairings are things. It is. Alright, people. Guess where me and Mr. Bertie is? Bertie.
It's alright here.
Fucking smashing it, mate. Look, Bert's already got a fucking beer. He's got a Regma on order for tomorrow. Bert's got a Regma on order for tomorrow.
Look, got to see this. Look. I really don't know.
Last page in it on the Regma. Bert's got a Regma.
I'm staying in Manali, mate.